Rodney finally had to get this book out and look at some stuff. That's what this video is going to be about. Rodney's first tractor repair.
Not sure how much of this you're going to be able to see, but we think the water pump is bad, is leaking out of it. It's right down in there. And so I am going to attempt to change it. So I don't know how much of this stuff's going to have to come off, but I'm sure a bunch of it is. It's turning into a little bit of a job than I thought it was going to be. Got the radiator loose, but I think I'm going to go ahead and take this hood off because it looks like it makes things a lot easier. And I had to take the wiring harness loose from clamps right there. And I got 2 bolts to take the hood off, and then 2 bolts to, that are already loose to take the radiator out. The hood's off, and now I'm gonna just pull the radiator out, and I'll be ready to start on the water pump, I hope. But there's the cables that I had to disconnect. There's the pump down in there. The radiator's out. Now I'm going to start on the pump, and hopefully everything will go better than it has so far. All right, later.
So he's got the fan off, and he's getting ready to, what are you doing now?
Pulling the pump.
Oh, he's going to pull the pump off now. Where's the pump?
Right there.
Okay.
Finally got the pump loose or out, but as you can see, it's pretty well damaged. It actually broke the shaft off getting it out. I'm not sure what all that is. Looks almost like a keyway, but I don't see a keyway up in there. But see all the stuff that broke off and up inside there. Anyway, oh well, we'll see what happens from here. Gotta clean it up.
Hole up top. What is that?
That's where the thermostat
Okay.
is.
So you took the thermostat out and we took it inside and checked it, and the thermostat works. So we didn't get a new one. So he's going to start putting things together. Got a new belt. What was the belt for?
It goes around the crankshaft and the alternator and the pump.
Okay, so we got a new belt because the other one looked pretty bad. So we did that last night. Went in and got that. So he's all ready to start putting it together.
Supposed to be taking pictures of this as I put it back together, and I forgot. Anyway, there's the water pump. It's back in. Got the belt on. Getting ready to tighten the alternator up. There's the thermostat housing that's on. And we'll just keep going from there. See what happens, but got a lot of brackets to hook up. Hope I don't forget nothing. Belt's on and tightened, fans on, and getting ready to put the radiator in. Oh, I gotta put the hoses on too.
You're doing pretty good for your first time, Rodney. He's getting the radiator back on.
Radiator's on, and got a few things to get the spacing right on. But got the radiator on, the little blower hoses on, hoses are on, and it's got to tighten clamps down and make sure all my spacing's right. Everything's back together. I actually had it started and it ran, and I didn't see any leaks. But the only thing was I didn't see the thermostat open up. So, but the motor never really got hot either. So I'm okay with that so far. But I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a little screen thing goes on the front of the radiator. There's the clips for it. It's back on now. And everything's hooked up except the hood. There's the wires for my light, and I'll put the hood on later today probably. I didn't know if I got this in the last video, but that clamp right there is a little Not sure if that's going to hold, but I got to keep an eye on it. And there's some more stuff I had to circle around. I did get that clamp down though, so it should be tight and good. Bottom radios, everything's on there. The hood's on, and everything's be okay. Don't see no leaks. Lights work. I'll be ready to try it out whatever first chance I get. The only thing left to go on is that. That's a little, like a guard for the front of the hood, but you can't raise the hood with it on. So anyway, it goes right in there.
Looks like you got that job done. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Have a great day.